corner. For those of you who are new here, thank you for stopping by. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Let's go ahead and jump into how to create an outro in Canva. I'm going to log into Canva. Once I log into Canva, at the very top here, I'm going to do a search for or type YouTube outro. Once it populates, I have the ability at the bottom to click search, or I can hit enter. Once you click search or enter, it's going to give you a number of different templates, and you just scroll down until you find a template that you really like. Let's find one. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. So my dog is barking. He must hear someone at the door. I'm going to press play on this one because I want to see what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Okay, that's cool. At the bottom it says turn on the bell button to get notified when there are new videos. Alright, we are going to do this one. Let's do this one. So we're going to replace that photo with a photo of our own. Let's find a photo. Let's get a photo. Alright, I replaced it with this photo. And let's see, thank you for watching. I'm going to put that right on back. I'm going to scroll over. This is where your next upcoming videos will be, where you see those square boxes off to the right hand side. So I'm going to press play. Let me drag this back over here. Alright, now that looks better. Drag it all the way to the beginning and press play. Alright, cool beans. I like it. At the very top right, you're going to see this arrow. And sorry, you guys, I'm on my Android. But you're going to see an arrow going out. We're going to click on that arrow. Click, click. There it is. And then we're going to click download. The file type is going to be a MP4 video, which is suggested. And you're going to click download again. And it's downloading for us. I like how when you're downloading, it gives you like different quotes from different people. This one says, good design encourages a viewer to want to learn more. Alexander Isley. I like that one. I like that one. And once you download it, you'll be able to merge your intro and outro to your video and then upload it on YouTube. We'll do that in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace and blessings.